to remove mention on Instagram story after posting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever found yourself needing to remove a mention from an Instagram story after posting, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, go ahead and open your Instagram app. Make sure you're logged in and then navigate to your profile and the story that you want to edit. Tap on it. And for example, if you want to add a mention, first let's start by adding a mention first. Tap on the three dots and here tap on add mentions and add account. There you have added someone to the story. Now to remove it, what you have to do is go to the story again, tap on the same three dots, go to add mentions. Now what you can do is just untick the box and there you go, the mention will be removed. However, if you have mentioned a person in the Instagram story itself, then there's no option rather than to delete your story. So just tap on more and then delete the story, and there you go, your mention will be deleted. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.